pacing back and forth. Oh, I don't understand why you're standing right here. All your shots have scored. No, scratching at the scars you left on my skin. We fight and we fall and we rise through it all till we find what we want. Then we lose it all again. Your touch on my skin, pull me close, take me.
Hey everyone, so I'm starting off with priming my eyes with MAC Paint Pot and Painterly. Nothing new there. I just like to go over it with my finger, and then I set it with the Maybelline Fit Me powder in Fair. I like to just take a packing brush and pack that all on, and then go back in windshield wiper motions and make sure that it is all good and coated. I'm going to go in with the Lamar Palette. I'm so sorry if I'm not saying that right. I'm going to take that beautiful orangey color and just bring that really high up into my crease and go back and forth in windshield wiper motions. I do go back in just to get it a little more pigmented and make sure that you can really see like that orangey color, because it is absolutely gorgeous. Then going in with the next color, which is like the red orange color, I'm going to do the exact same thing but keep that a little bit lower. I want you to see the transition from the orange to the orangey red color and then the maroon color, which I'm now putting on, but I'm working that into just the outer corner, and when I get most of the pigment on the outer corner, I'm then taking my brush and working it in. Going in with that dark chocolate color, I'm going to take a pointed tapered brush and just work in an outer V on the outside of my eye. My eyes are a little bit like kind of folded and really hooded, so I really have to work it in there and make sure that I blend it and kind of bring it up on the outer corner a bit higher than I would normally on anybody else who has bigger eyes. I'm then going to take this beautiful gold color and I like to put it on my brush, and then I spray my brush with some setting spray or Fix Plus if you have it, and I'm just going to pack that onto the inner corner of my eye. I'm then taking that blue color that was right beside it. I didn't show it. I'm so sorry. But I'm doing the exact same thing. I put the eyeshadow on my brush and then I spray it with some setting spray, and then I just like to pack it on. Going back in with that maroon color, I am just going to put it in the outer corner again and really work it into that crease. I kind of wanted it to be like a reddish brown color and really get it blended into the outer corner as best as I possibly can. Then I'm going to take my big blending brush with no excess product on it whatsoever and just make sure that it is all blended out. I'm then going to take this beautiful pinky color that's called La Costa and just kind of put it in between yellow and the blue so that it isn't so harsh and there's a bit of a nice transition to blend them together. I'm then going to go in with my blending brush and just blend it all together. I do have, like I said before, hooded eyes, so I tend to get some like transfer on the top, and I want to make sure that there is none of that going on. I'm going to do my wing. I'm using Maybelline gel liner in Blackest Black, and I like to start with doing my tail first, and then I do the lid, and then I kind of connect it all together. I'm going to give my eyelashes a quick curl, and then I'm going to put some Rimmel Lash Accelerator on them. The lashes that I am using I got in my BoxyCharm box. They are from Battington lashes, and I want to say they're Monroe, but I'm not too sure. I will make sure I put it in the description bar below in case you are interested. These lashes are absolutely gorgeous. I love them. And I'm going to do my eyebrows off camera. Voila, power of editing. You have to love it. They're all done. And now I'm going to prime my face with the Cover FX blurring primer. This primer is phenomenal. I usually like to pair it up with the Physicians Formula Spotlight Primer, but I didn't do that today. I still love this primer by itself. Going in with the 24-hour Stay foundation from Maybelline, I'm going to just put that on my face with a concealer brush and then pounce that in with my handy dandy beauty blender. Have to love beauty blenders. It's either that or a stippling brush, and I just like to push that into my skin to get the best full coverage I can possibly get. Going in with the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in Fair, maybe it's Ivory. I know that this is really white and a lot of you are going to be like, whoa, this is way too white for your skin, but what can I say? I really am digging the bright under eye lately, so I love it. Some people might not like it, but this is what I love to do. I am then going to set that with the Maybelline Fit Me powder in Fair and just do my under eyes and my T-zone. I'm going to contour with the Pur Cosmetics Contouring Palette, and I like to take that deep dark color and just use my synthetic contouring brush and really just carve out my cheekbones. I will then do underneath my chin with that color and the sides of my forehead, and then I really blend it out with my Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer in Sunkissed, and I really find that this ties it all together and blends it out beautifully, so it makes my cheekbones look chiseled, but I still have like that bronze all around sun-kissed glow at the same time. I'm going to be using the Morphe E9N blush palette and using those two colors. I love mixing blush colors together. I don't ever use just one blush color. I am always mixing them. I am then going to do the exact same thing that I did on the top of my lid, underneath my eye, in the exact same order, and just really blend it out and smoke it and connect it to like the upper part, so it like is a surrounding smoky eye, if that makes sense. Like it all comes together. And that blue color where that pretty little pink heart is, I used that with my Sigma flat definer brush and just kind of pushed that into the outer corner, so it gave it a little hint of color, a little pop of color of blue. I'm going to go in with Jaclyn Hill and Morphe Beam, and I'm going to use that as my brow highlight in my inner corner. My cheek highlight, I used Wet n Wild. It is the new lightest color that they have. It is so beautiful. I'm going to set my face using my Essence setting spray, and then the lipstick is the CoverGirl liquid lipstick, and I don't know the color, but I will put everything in the description bar below if you are interested in any of the products that I use. That is the video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button before you leave. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a great day.